Yeah, I'm looking around.
Oh, what's up, y'all? I'm sorry, man. How y'all doing, y'all? Welcome to the show. You're on the show right now. All right. So y'all about to go, right?
Yep. I still know what to do here.
Oh yeah. So all right then. I'm sorry for holding y'all up, y'all. Y'all gonna be all weekend, right? All right. So anyway, if y'all see me tomorrow, make sure y'all remind me who y'all are, yeah. Cause sometimes I forget for, and I'm the smart one. All right. So let's go. All right, Jacoby, you're on the show. Oh, say it again. All right. Oh, that one must be. That elevator must be stuck. Yeah, that elevator stuck. All right. So anyway, going to the next room and stuff like that. So let's see what was next on the agenda. Okay. So let's see where to go. All right. So there's so much places to choose from. I mean, everybody wants to cry. I want to cry myself because this is the last year of Mechacon, the last Friday of Mechacon, you know. All right. All right. So let's see what's in the. Oh, that's where the elevator's at. Oh, yep. One last time. Oh, how y'all doing? Oh, this is where they do performances.
Yeah. They have one at 7.
Huh?
Yeah, they have one at 7.
Oh man, I probably won't be here. Oh, what about tomorrow?
I don't know. I'm not gonna be here tomorrow.
Well. On that note, I guess I might as well just watch it on the YouTube or something. Hey,
On the YouTube?
Yeah. By the way, would y'all like to be on the show? Yeah. Would y'all like to be on the show?
Kind of show.
On my YouTube show.
All right. Well, like for what?
Or like anything, like Mechacon or whatever, you know. So y'all enjoying Mechacon?
Yeah, it's good.
All right. Yeah. All right. So anyway, y'all, I want y'all to check me out on YouTube, yeah.
Yeah. What's your name?
Dominoes 7.
Dominoes 7.
Type Domino 866.
Domino
866.
866.
All right.
That's you?
Oh yeah.
All right.
There's two channels with that name. Both of them is mine, but the one with the pictures is the main one.
Okay. All right.
All right. So sorry. I must say it's sad that they canceling Mechacon, you know. Yeah. So all right then. Nice talking to y'all. All right. Yes, indeed. Elevators to escalators. One of the elevators is stuck. Oh, I never seen those elevators before. Right behind the door. All right. So, how would I? Well, let me go this way. All right. Excuse me.